transform your videos by making your text appear like it's weaving through your subject with these simple CapCut steps. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Ensure your subject is clearly visible and fills a good portion of the frame. Now, tap the text icon at the bottom and select default text. Type the word or phrase you want to place behind your subject. Next, we need to make this text appear as if it's part of the scene with the text layer selected. Find and tap the mask option. For this effect, we'll use the object mask. This is a powerful tool that intelligently detects your subject. CapCut will automatically attempt to detect and mask your person. You'll see a bounding box appear around them. Simply tap the check mark to confirm the mask. Now, critically, we need to adjust the text layer's position and scale to ensure it sits perfectly behind your subject. Select the text layer again. Drag the text layer to the desired position, making sure it's placed where you want it to appear behind your subject. You can also pinch to resize the text for a more natural fit. The beauty of the object mask is that it tracks your subject throughout the video. As your person moves, the text will follow, maintaining the illusion of being behind them. For even more realism, you can adjust the text's opacity by tapping adjust and lowering it slightly, or add a subtle blur to make it feel more integrated into the background. And there you have it, a professional effect that adds depth and creative flair to your videos, all within CapCut.